Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I'll show you a couple tricks that you can find on this camera. So at the first, let's start from the settings on this camera. So when you are in the photo mode, and if you want to enter for the settings, just tap here and go for the settings. And the first very useful feature here, you can find the volume key functions. It's right here. So you have to tap here, and then you can choose the volume, shot or zoom. I'm always using the last one, and take a look. When you try to take a photo and zoom in, just like that, you can press the volume up button and it zoom in very smoothly and zoom out when you press the volume down button. Very useful feature. When you go for the settings another time, you can also find here the red eye removal. So it's very useful when you are using the flashlight. So if you are taking photo when you are using a lot of flashlight, definitely activate this feature and your pictures will be in the better quality. We can also easily change the video quality. As you can see, currently it's set up as a middle, but we can go for the highest resolution. Okay, and right now let's focus on the modes that we got here. So when you are in the standard photo mode, we can tap right here to get beautiful filters. So just take a look. When I try to take a photo of this one, we can go for maybe for the fish eye. So just pick this one and take a photo. And as you can see right now, that's how it changed. We can also pick another mode, maybe the old photo. Bang. And as you can see, it already is on the photo, so you don't have to use external apps to change the colors on your photo. When you go here another time, you can find the watermark. And honestly, I didn't even see that much of the watermarks that you can find in the smartphone. So when you tap here, you can display all the watermarks that you have here, and you can easily move them to the place that you want to get it. For example, this one. So just tap, then click and hold, and you can move it like that. And here we got a couple of them, as you can see. And the last one is really cool, this one. Of course, we can put it wherever you want it, like that. So just take a look. When you take a photo, it will be displayed on our photo, this watermark. So very nice option. Okay, let's go here another time. And of course, we can find here the standard modes, like the panorama, like time-lapse. We got also here slow motion, beauty video, the wide angle, and we can take macro photos. So just take a look. When you go close to the object, maybe like that, yeah, we can see definitely more details than on a normal photo mode. Oh, it's very, very nice. And that's it. I think there's everything interesting that you can find in the smartphone. Other modes like normal, like night, bokeh, AR sticker, or the video. So there's nothing to talk about that. That's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.